The clock ticks low, the world is asleep, but here we are, secrets we keep.
Your voice is soft, it lingers in my ear. Every word you say pulls me near.
I never thought tonight could feel love like this.
The quiet hum, your gentle kiss.
I pause when something's in the air.
I feel my heart racing, caught unaware.
Whisper to me, tell me what's true. In the night I fall for you. Every word, every sigh pulls me closer to. Baby, I'm lost in whispers with you.
Whispers in the night, whispers in the night. The stars outside shine like your eyes, illuminating every hidden light.
Your laugh, your touch, it breaks me slow. I never thought I'd let my feelings show.
The silence speaks louder than any sound. In your arms I feel safe and found.
Every secret, every dream I wanna share.
Baby, with you I have no fear.
Whisper to me, tell me what's true. In the night I fall for you. Every word, every sigh pulls me closer to. Baby, I'm lost in whispers with you. Whispers in the night, whispers in the night.
I lean in closer, your breath meets mine. Time stops here, the world unwinds. The words I've held now escape in a rush. A confession of love in the quiet hush. Stay with me now, don't let it fade. The secret love softly made. Baby, it's you I've waited for tonight. In whispers I find my heart's light. Whisper to me, tell me what's true. In the night I fall for you. Every word, every sigh pulls me closer to. Baby, I'm lost in whispers with you. Whispers in the night, whispers in the night. Whispers in the night. Shh. Can you feel it? The night's alive, just you and I. Close your eyes, let the whispers take us high. Moonlight spilling on your face. In this quiet, there's a space. Every word you speak I replay. Secret shared until the break of day. Your hand find mine, it's effortless. Every heartbeat feels like a caress. The world outside can wait tonight. Here in your arms, everything's right. I never knew love could feel this way. Softly, slowly, in shades of grey. Every whisper, every gentle touch tells me forever won't be enough. Midnight whispers, only you and me, talking in shadows where we're free. Close your eyes, feel the heartbeat near. Love in the silence, nothing else sigh, every gentle plea the night whispers love just for you and me. Every moment stretches time, stands still, lost in your arms against my will. Every whisper, every subtle sound with you, my love, I'm finally found. Whispers, only you and me, talking in shadows where we're free. Close your eyes, feel the heartbeat near, love in the silence, nothing else to hear. Oh, the night knows our names, every secret, every flame, wrapped in the sheets of moonlight and dreams. Our hearts collide in gentle streams. Softly, your lips brush mine, time dissolves, the stars align. In every whisper I hear your soul. With you, my love, I am Midnight whispers, only you and me, talking in shadows where we're free. Close your eyes, feel the heartbeat near, love in the silence, nothing else to hear. Just us all night, whispers fading with the dawn, but our hearts will carry on. Moonlight lingers even when we part. Midnight whispers forever in my heart. In my heart.
I've been running all day, lost in the noise, people talking too loud. I just need your voice. Every moment out there feels too heavy to hold, but you open your arms and suddenly I'm whole.
The world keeps spinning, but with you it slows. All the chaos fades when your heartbeat flows. Baby, when I see your face at the end of the day, it feels like the world finally goes quiet again.
You feel like home on a moment, refuge when I'm in your arms. Everything I lose, all my worries to me pass. You pull me close and the world fades away. You feel like home. You feel like home.
You're the calm in the storm, the light in the dark, the soft little fire warming up my heart. I breathe you in slow like the sweetest air, and the weight of the day disappears right there. I don't need a palace, I don't need gold. Your touch is enough when the nights get cold. Baby, I fall deeper every time you say my name. You hold me so soft, I forget all
You
the
feel like home on a moment, refuge when I'm in your arms. Everything I lose, all my worries to me pass. You pull me close and the world fades away. You feel like home. You feel like home. Let's stay right here, no rush tonight. Just your heartbeat dancing with mine in the quiet. Lay your head on my chest,
breathe with me slow.
we don't need words.
Our love already knows.
I'll come back to you every day that I break. You're the softness my tired soul aches to take.
sweetest place to stay.
You're home to me in every single way.
Yeah.
You feel like home, mon refuge when I'm in your arms. Everything I lose, all my worries, tous mes pensées. You pull me close and the world fades away. You feel like you feel like the clock ticks slow, the world is asleep, but here we are, secrets we keep. Your voice is soft, it lingers in my ear. Every word you say pulls me near.
I never thought tonight could feel like this. The quiet hum, your gentle kiss, a pause, a glance, something's in the air.
I feel my heart racing,
Caught unaware.
whisper to me, tell me what's true. In the night I fall for you. Every word, every sigh pulls me closer to. Baby, I'm lost in
Whispers with you, whispers in the night. Whispers in the night.
whispers in the night.
Whispers in the night.
On in a church.
The stars outside shine like your eyes, illuminating every hidden light.
Your laugh, your touch, it breaks me slow.
I never thought I'd let my feelings show. The silence speaks louder than any sound. In your arms I feel safe and found. Every secret, every dream I wanna share, baby, with you. I have no fear. Whisper to me, tell me what's true. The night I fall for you. Every word, every sigh pulls me closer to. Baby, I'm lost in whispers with you.
Whispers in the night.
Whispers in the night.
Whispers in the night.
Whispers in the night.
I lean in closer, your breath meets mine.
In
Time stops here, the world unwinds. The words I've held now escape in a rush. A confession of love in a quiet hush.
Stay with me now, don't let it fade. This secret love softly made. Baby, it's you I've waited for tonight. In whispers I find my heart's light. Whisper to me, tell me what's true. In the night I fall for you. Every word, every sigh pulls me closer to.
didn't see it coming when you walked my way. Didn't know your smile would change my whole day. We were just talking, nothing serious at first, but your presence hit me soft like a quiet thirst.
Little moments turned into something deep. Your laugh stay with me every night I sleep. I didn't plan it, I didn't even try,
but baby, you slipped right into my life, falling slowly, slowly into you. Didn't expect this love, but it feels so true. Every little moment pulls me closer to. Baby, I'm falling slowly into you. Slowly into you.
slowly into you.
You opened doors in me I didn't know were closed, softening places I never dared to show. Your honesty touches where my fears used to hide.
You make me feel safe in the quiet inside.
I didn't know love could grow this slow, gentle like the sunrise with its golden glow. You caught me drifting without a sound. Now I'm sinking into you, I can't turn around. I'm falling slowly, slowly into you. Didn't expect this love, but it feels so true. Every little moment pulls me closer to. Baby, I'm falling slowly into you.
Slowly into
you. Let's take our time.
No rush tonight,
Just your heart
and the rhythm of mine.
We don't need labels or promises too fast. The sweetest love is the kind that lasts. Every glance from you feels like a vow.
I didn't love before the way I love you now.
Baby, I'm grateful for the way it grew.
Soft, unexpected,
Suddenly true.
falling slowly
into you. Didn't expect this love, but it feels so true. Every little moment pulls me closer to. Baby, I'm falling slowly into you.
slowly into you.
Slowly into you.
Slowly into you.
Sitting on this porch, the sun sinks low, breeze through the pines and the fireflies glow. I see your smile in the fading light, remembering love that felt so right. The old rocking chair creaks under me, like the echoes of what we used to be. I hear you laugh in the evening air, wishing you were still sitting there. Porch light memories, they keep me warm. Through quiet nights and gentle storms, I still feel your hand in mine underneath this southern sky divine. Porch light memories, porch light memories.
The crickets sing our favorite song. It's been so long, but the feeling's strong. I tip my hat and I smile again, thinking about love that didn't end.
The whiskey's smooth, the night is kind. Every shadow reminds me of your eyes.
If I could turn back, I'd hold you near, but your memory's the only thing here.
Porch light memories, they keep me warm. Through quiet nights and gentle storms, I still feel your hand in mine. Underneath this southern sky divine. Porch light memories, porch light memories. The moon climbs high, the stars shine through. Every night feels like I'm missing you. The wind whispers soft through the willow tree, telling stories of you and me.
I'll stay here long after the night is gone, humming the tune of our old love song. Porch light memories, they never fade, keeping alive the love we made.
Porch light memories, they keep me warm. Through quiet nights and gentle storms, I still feel your hand in mine. Underneath this southern sky divine. Porch light memories, porch light memories.
We were strangers for a little while, talking through silence, lost in denial. But time has a way of calling us home. Even broken hearts find a place to grow. And I don't need perfect, I just need real. The kind of love I can see and feel. We found us again. After the rain, after the nights we forgot our names. Through all the distance, through all the pain, we found us again. Your voice sounds softer, your eyes are kind. Maybe years taught us to rewind. We learned to love without the fear, to hold on tighter when you're near. And I don't need forever, I need now. Your hand in mine, that's enough somehow. We found us again. After the rain, after the nights we forgot our names. Through all the distance, through all the pain, we found us again. We found us again. After the rain, after the nights we forgot our names. Through all the distance, through all the pain, we found us again. Every scar became our song, every wrong turned right where we belong. And if tomorrow fades away, I'll still choose you the same way. We found us again. After the rain, after the nights we forgot our names. Through all the distance, through all the pain, we found us again. We found find us again. Morning sun through the window pane, you make me coffee, I call your name.
Laughter spills across the floor. I love this life, and I want more.
No diamonds, no grand displays, just your smile lighting up my days. Home in your arms, I feel complete. Every heartbeat, every breath, every beat. Through the little things, through the ordinary charms, I'm alive, I'm safe, I'm home in your arms. I'm home in your arms. Ooh,
Walking together to the corner store, holding hands, laughing once more.
even laundry feels like a dance. Every glance with you, another chance.
No diamonds, no grand display,
Just your smile lighting up my days. Home in your arms, I feel complete. Every heartbeat, every breath, every beat. Through the little things, through the ordinary charms, I'm alive, I'm safe, I'm home in your arms.
years will come, seasons will change,
But our love will stay, it won't estrange.
even in silence.
Even in calm, I'm alive, I'm home, I'm in your arms. I'm in your arms. Home in your arms, I feel complete. Every heartbeat, every breath, every beat. Through the little things, through the ordinary charms, I'm alive, I'm safe, I'm home in your arms.
Home in your
Home in your arms. Ooh.
I'm home in your
Home in your arms. Home in your arms. I am home in your arms.
I see your eyes in every sunset glow. We've stumbled, we fall, and still we grow. The nights are quiet, but my heart screams your name. Love's a wildfire, it won't be tamed. Through every tear, through every fight, I still hold you close in the dead of night. It's never perfect, but it feels so true. No matter what, I'll stay with you. We've said the words we shouldn't, made mistakes we regret, but the heart can't forget what the soul won't let. Every silence between us, every doubt we face, can't erase the warmth of your embrace. Through every tear, through every fight, I still hold you close in the dead of night. It's never perfect, but it feels so true. but I'd choose you over 1,000 better days. The storms may come and the roads may bend, but my heart knows you're my beginning and end. Through every tear, through every fight, I still hold you close in the dead of night. It's never perfect, but it feels so true. No matter what, I'll stay with you. I hear you laugh, I feel your soul. You make the broken parts of me whole. Though time may test and fate may try, our love's a fire that won't die. Through every tear, through every fight, I still hold you close in the dead of night. It's never perfect, but it feels so true. No matter what, I'll stay with you. Through every tear, through every fight, I still hold you close in the dead of night. It's never perfect, but it feels so true. No matter what, I'll stay with you. I see you every morning, your smile in the sun. We've laughed, we've cried, we've tried to be one. But somewhere down the line, the pieces don't fit. Love is still alive, but something's amiss. Why can't we be perfect? Why can't we find our way? Love's right here with us, but it slips away. It should be time to let go, but I can't, it's true. Through all the storms and heartaches, I still choose you. I know we hold each other, our hearts intertwined, but why do the stars feel misaligned? I'd give anything to make it right, yet we're walking a line between love and good night. Why can't we be perfect? Why can't we find our way? Love's right here with us, but it slips away. It should be time to let go, but I can't, it's true. Through all the storms and heartaches, I still choose you. But the moments we fight blur the line. I know it may be time to let go, it's true, but deep in my soul, it's still you. it slips away. It should be time to let go, but I can't, it's true. Through all the storms and heartaches, I still choose you.
I've been running all day, lost in the noise, people talking too loud. I just need your voice. Every moment out there feels too heavy to hold, but you open your arms and suddenly I'm whole. The world keeps spinning, but with you it's slow. All the chaos fades when your heartbeat flows. Baby, when I see your face at the end of the day, it feels like the world finally goes quiet again. You feel like home, on a move, more refuge. When I'm in your arms, everything I lose, all my worries to me penser. You pull me close and the world fades away. You feel like home. Ooh, you feel like home. You feel like home. You're the calm in the storm, the light in the dark, the soft little fire warming up my heart. I breathe you in slow, like the sweetest air, and the weight of the day disappears right there. I don't need a palette, I don't need it gold. Your touch is enough when the nights get cold. Baby, I fall deeper every time you say my name. You hold me so soft, I forget all the pain. You feel like home, on a move, more refuge. When I'm in your arms, everything I lose, all my worries to me penser. You pull me close and the world fades away. You feel like home. Ooh, you feel like home. You feel like home. Let's stay right here, no rush tonight. Just your heartbeat dancing with mine in the quiet. Lay your head on my chest, breathe with me slow. We don't need words, our love already knows. I'll come back to you every day that I break. You're the softness my tired soul aches to take. Darling, you're my peace, you're my sweetest place to stay. You're home to me in every single way. You feel like